Wagwan people, welcome back to another reaction video. Yes man, another reaction video. Listen to me people. The video here and our YouTube video, as you can see, the video here is different. It's a different video. The youth here, I have to tell him say, yo brother, you're talented, big up yourself. Them skills that we have, them not normal. For someone who might be shook, who might get a little bit squeamish. But I want to tell you guys, do not be afraid, okay? You know I rhyme with afraid? Raid. Speaking of Raid, a massive shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Raid Shadow Legends. You don't know about Raid Shadow Legends? Okay. It's just one of the biggest mobile gaming communities with over 25 million downloads and over 1 million players playing the game each day. Hold on, we have to get in on this. And believe me, the action is not lacking. From the very second the game loads up, you are immersed into it.
And the whole idea of the game is to collect champions, level them up, build a powerful team and defeat your opponents.
It has been real fun. It is super easy to play and level up. Within an hour of playing, I was able to be at level 10 like that. That's because you have the difficulty settings for normal. You are guided through the first few minutes of gameplay by this beautiful lady, and then from there on you can take it on yourself. And if you still need help, like when you did I get the beats from the Dungeon Queen boss. Like I was saying, if you still need help, there is the Grand College of YouTube that has thousands of helpful videos on Raid Shadow Legends. There's even a Discord. Even on Reddit you can learn how to beat bosses, how to level up, and which champions you should choose. As you mentioned champion, oh, you never tell me say you're in a game. What? You look like him, you know?
There are over 500 champions from different factions, from common all the way up to legendary, that you can choose from.
A feature that I personally like is the auto feature. So say you're about to do something, step away from your phone, you just engage the auto feature and your champions will automatically fight. And if you want the battle to progress a little faster, just speed it up. I have said a lot. You probably still won't take my word for it. I'm just a YouTuber. That's why you should check the reviews. Oh, and Raid recently released its biggest update ever.
The Doom Tower. It's a giant tower, 120 floors, a bunch of secret challenge rooms, and 12 seriously powerful bosses for you to take on.
Wait until me buck them. And on top of that, Raid just released a bunch of amazing new champions. There will be more coming this month. Like I said before, over 500 champions in-game. And this month is also jam-packed with special events. A whole heap of nice tournament. Loads of them. Running pan in niceness. Whoa, now wait pan. Support my channel by downloading RSL using my links below.
And if you are a new player, you can get an exclusive welcome pack that contains 50,000 silver, 50 gems, 5 mystery shards, 1 energy refill, 1 day boost XP, 1 clan boss key, and a free awesome champion.
Shaman! You don't want one of them here? And download RSL and you get it for free.
You will find your extra rewards here in your inbox for the next 30 days only.
And that's it people, it's that easy. Just click the link in the description and I will see you in the game. Alright people. Let's get into the video. Alright, so quick backstory on this. I meet a youth here, I think it was maybe about a month or 2 ago. And the man walk up to me and say, oh, too crazy, I'm a big fan and them thing. I say, yeah man, big up yourself, you know, my boss. Man say, oh, I have a video more you put out and react to, you know. And I say, because I get this enough, you know, people say this to me enough. So I say, what you do? The man say, I want contortionist. I say, brother, nobody with the extortion right there, so I don't have no money. Not because I'm on YouTube. The man said, no man, I'm a contortionist. Oh, contortionist. Dog, whatever scamming you up to, I don't want to be a part of it. See, remember some name there out there, people will say, oh, Kevin do great. The man said, no brother, I'm a contortionist. So I said, dog, what that mean? And the man said, a joke, I don't go so. And that's him say. I'm not fooling him with. No, but him did walk up to me and say, yo, we have a video more you react to. And when him show me a video on him phone, me I say, oh, where there? You know my thing go already. And I couldn't believe it. So I wanted to see it for yourself. See the man's skills. I'm not even gonna say nothing. Now just let's react. And also, based on the boss skills, you will see why this is. Normal people can't do that already. When you see what just take place, when you see how the man just ring up in hand a while ago, when you don't see that, you ever ring out ragged, I say man just ring up in hand. The man the normal people. If you don't know what contortionist mean, you know say, he call himself Bones, but brother, a Bones less your name. You know no Bones. Look on them sitting here, what you man do. That turn off your eyes. No, people no look. The man just take in foot and fold up himself neat like a wallet. The man just fold up himself neat like a wallet. Look Paul and sitting here. A Jimmy in there no. Jimmy boss there. You ever see nobody work out their way? Normally you work out your hand in at the right position. The man you turn for them hand over. Me can't even do it. No, I want to see what I see right there. Them thinking, brother, I know normal parents have. Me I do regular workouts right now and I barely want to move for my hand in a direction where you're supposed to go. And you just over there have weights in your hand. At, you know, use your hand the next. Brother, I don't know. I don't know if you call it. Because I never see nobody do them type of sitting there yet. I glimpse couple contortionists every now and then, but I never really see it like how me I see it now. Say them levels here, but not really there. When you look on all this now, people, watch what going to take place. First of all, this not take normal upper body strength to do. Because me, one time we did got guardsman games, brother, and them did have the rope sitting. Could I go up the rope? I could not go up that rope to save my life. With my foot them in a normal position. Even I use my foot to help me go up, me couldn't go up the rope. And this a man here, just fold up your foot them neat. Like when you take off your clothes and just fold it up and put it on one side and just, alright, you know what, I'm not going to use my foot them today. So I just fold them up and put them down until me need them again. And the man just gone up the ladder. Hey man, four bridges never feel always pass through, you know? Do for them thing. Crazy. It's a whole gang of them. You're better than normal people. Bones, big up yourself. Not even Bones me I call you. A Bones less than name, brother. And a bone you have in a fear body. Because the only thing me know we can flex so but still have rigidity to it. How about this now? Rigidity to it is cartilage. So as soon as a cartilage you make out a brother. Got the run out a bone when him make you and say, you know what, that youth here? I just full him up a cartilage here, man. Make him do what him do. Nobody now gonna know. Unless they do surgery and them thing there. But them are sitting here, brother. Not even have axe. Because my foot them barely white. Move normal. Much less we go. Piece of stick and them something there. Boy bones. Bones less. So cartilage. And that a fear name, lad. So cartilage me I call him my boss. But bones and bones less. You don't have nothing to do with bone. You don't know what name so. You fire. People don't see that. No, look what. The man put in it. How you put your hand them inside out. A close alone and them sitting there go inside out. How you put your hand them inside out? You know normal, brother. The most me have a double joint in my finger them and them something there, you know? That's it. That's the most me have. Them thing a man can do, flex all him shoulder blade. Me can't barely move for my shoulder blade.
Guy.
Want to look on this. People, in case you don't know, my wife can do the one where she put her thumb, make her thumb touch. Yeah, so? Her thumb touch, that's so, see? As you can see, my thumb will not go any further than this. I mean, I have a squeeze if I show you. Alright? Look, my thumb will not go any further than this. The man take him index finger, see? Man take him index finger and just neatly, without any force at all, just fold it back. Look, yeah, that's as far as my index finger go. Brother, again, you don't have nothing to do with bone, a source of cartilage in name. Source of cartilage. This, look, regular people, this is what we can do. Even this is uncomfortable for me. And you just take for it. You know normal. Yeah?
Self bones, you know.
I make you all touch. Brother. Look on this man in your face. G look like somebody tell him to go and do it and in. Hey brother, I don't know what I do, I don't want to be part of this, you know, man. I will see what I go and say, I know. No, people. Yo. You see all them money, huh? If I did back in idea, see? When you don't need passport and them things to travel like that. A whole heap of time I them money would have gone foreign and come back, you know. If I did back in idea when the security checks never so strong, them money could have easily gone foreign, just jump in one of them big suitcases there. Right now this is a suitcase, yeah? Compared to the suitcase that when they used to carry back in idea. This is a suitcase here, an idiot thing. Hold on. They not no respect. I soon sort out that situation. But back in the day, the suitcase them they big. So this a man here fold up himself in and drop in one of them suitcase there. It's like him there at the presidential seat in one of them big hotel there. Blouse and skirt. Because man just fold up himself neatly. I never know say shoulders did have the ability to flex them way there. Because we know say a ball and socket, you know. Ball and socket, you know, it can flex, but we never know say it could flex them way there. Talk about being able to give yourself a pat on the shoulder. The man you can just reach round, you know, and I'll touch all him face. Put the hand where it's scary. It's a scary sight. Yeah? And you know say boss just broke his own back basically. And that you know. Brother, the man just turn himself in a one blouse and skirt. When them bird the name we can fold back so. I don't even know. But you know a bird I talk about. The man just fold him back. So a cartilage is your name, G. Nothing to do with bones. At what point in your life, you see, you figure out, say, not only can you twist and contort yourself like this, but you can fit through one tennis racket. If you don't know a tennis racket, if you never see one in a real life, you don't know, say, human bodies not generally can fit through them like how this a boss just go through them. Hey, my boss, a good thing you know they're on the dark side of life, you know. Because nobody's house in your community would be safe. Nobody's house in your community would be safe. A good thing you're on the light side and you do legitimate work, professional work with your talents. Because if you did ever on the dark side, Father God, no grill, no little crack in that door. Because the way you move with it, I feel you can skate through some crack too, you know. I feel you can skate through some crack. Regular people put on clothes, them man put on tennis racket. Brother, I assume say you have to stay fit still and stay at a certain body weight. People, this is the part that is gonna shock you. This is the part that is gonna shock you. What you think? Oh, I just look over here so. But while I look over here so, Jesus, that girl is sexy, you know. What a girl sexy. Hey, what a girl at. What a... I saw the man next year when the man look at a woman where I pass. When you see the man just turn himself 180 in head go 180 degrees.
You don't come from planet Earth.
I think when they talk to me too, he must say he the only Jamaican in the island we can do that. Me see the footage, and him alone may ever see do that. So right now, me I tell you say, it might be true. 180 degrees, the boss just turning head so cartilage. The man will talk to you and just watch a girl a pass with the neck. Just a flex and a go on and a go on. This is as far as my neck go. Yeah. And sometimes it even care if you look side to side like that. Sometimes it hot. You see me? These are all the directions my head go. Them man there can just swivel around like they possess. See him broke him back again. And just in case you think saying always needs somebody to help him, the boss can just, you know? Yeah! I saw the boss there. And that is it, people. You just meet the Jamaican with the ability, the only Jamaican, I should say, with the ability to turn him head 180 degrees. The man make out a source of cartilage. He's the son of parents who are made out of nothing but elastic and rubber. Because bones, may I tell you, brother, you're alien that. You're alien. You're not normal, but I have to say big up to your skills and your talent still. And the fact that you're not going to the dark side with your talent. You're working at people's house and them thing there. And you do legitimate work professionally. Yeah man, big up yourself, youth. I hope you make it far in your life. I would love to be able to meet some more interesting Jamaicans like this who have just some out of this world talent and skill. Not necessarily have to be contortionist. It could have just be somebody who, you know, them brilliant mentally, like mathematically, if that's a word. Yeah man. Again, big up our sponsors of this video. Raid Shadow Legends. People, link is in the description, download them. Check out Bones, he's on Instagram. As you can see, Instagram tagged up on the video. Big up yourself, youth.
You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.